Qinhuangdao Shengze New Material Technology Corporation Limited. Now our company located in the developing area of this Qinhuangdao city. And today I will be your tour guide to visit our company. Let's go. Look, this is our office building. And that one is our workshop. And those are our warehouse.
This is our office. Oh, look at that. Hello.
Say hello.
说 hello 啊？
对。Hello, say hello.
Hello.
This is Anna. Hello, say hi.
Hello.
This is Andrea. Look, this is our physical lab. Hello. 拍短片。This is a technical and QC department, and our marketing. And our HR, and most important, our conference room. See? Those are the certificates we got every year. See? This one is the latest. Hello, now we are in the workshop. Look, we are making a batch of face tanks for our client. Look, now the tanks is doing the water test now. Look, the workers are cleaning the. Look, these are handling up products. They are handling up area. Now they are doing the trial sample before send it out. We make mold for ourselves. Our main products are fish tanks, insulation cover shell for the electricity industry, medical equipment shell. Look, take a around look. Hello，师傅，这个是什么？打腻子吗？ 这是什么？固定的那个螺丝吗？
对。
我就在到处找素材。摆个 pose， 说 hello，
Hello。
谢谢。
Look, they are flying the glass fiber cloth. This is a fish tank.
Because they are processing now, so you could hear it's very noisy. Here is our protrusion line for producing different kinds of profiles. Now, because it's tomorrow is holiday, so our land has been cleaned. The small house you could see have the function of heat preservation, as our winter is very cold. Low temperature is not good for profile forming. The profiles is non-conductive, could be used as support frame, nursery sticks, hand drill fence, and so on. Hope you like it. Welcome to visit our company.